Most aligners don't fail in design, they fail in manufacturing. In modern orthodontics, the difference between a good result and a perfect one is precision. Traditional thermoforming leads to uneven stretching and anterior thinning of aligners. When the material thins, you lose the force required for predictable movement. At ClearPath, we've redefined that. Introducing Clarix FormX. Unlike conventional thermoforming, our fully automated technology eliminates human error and guesswork. Its smart ceramic heating technology delivers even heat across the sheet without compromising the integrity of Clarix, our premium Tri-Layer material. The result? Micron-level precision in every single aligner. Because when thickness is consistent, force is controlled, ensuring a reliable fit across the entire arch with no anterior thinning or weak spots. For the clinician, this means absolute predictability. What you plan digitally is exactly what delivers clinically. No tracking issues, no mid-course surprises. For patients, it means clear, comfortable, and convenient aligners, delivering a treatment experience they can trust. A perfect fit that works invisibly behind every smile. In a world of manual variability, we chose automated precision and micron-level control. ClearPath aligners, turning treatment plans into predictable outcomes.